Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how to repair and reset Hotstar app in your smart TV. So for this guys, first method, go to your TV settings and set the date and time. So go to settings and now here go to device preferences. Select here date and time option. First go to automatic date and time and select the use network provided time. Select this option, and if you want to set the date and time manually, then once again go to automatic date and time, select here off. Select the off and first set the date like this and go back and set the time. After this, restart your device. And this second method, you need to clear the cache from Hotstar app. So once again, go to settings, go to apps and go to see all apps. Now find your Hotstar application. Open the Hotstar. First, click on Clear Cache, select the OK and click on Clear Data. Now here select the OK. After this guys, now open the Hotstar application, click on Continue. You need to enter your mobile number, the registered mobile number in Hotstar. After this, it will send you an OTP. You enter the OTP, click on Get OTP and enter here OTP number. Select the admin. Now open this match. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.